What's going on, Hector? So this is Daniel from Josh Danny SEO. So we're going to take a quick look at 50 Shades of Painting, and we're going to see what we can do. So right off the bat, you got your home number up here. It's not a click to call, so you lose 10 points. Home, about, services is a drop-down menu. I love that. Projects, that's great. Reviews, contact us, free estimate. Perfect. The one thing I said, you need that to be a click to call button. You got your nice picture here. I'm assuming this is a house you've redone. That's excellent. They need curtains, but I didn't say anything. 35 years of quality service, excellent. So our company is dedicated to providing 50 Shades. Call today, not a click to call button. I can't just click it. We need that. Welcome to 50 Shades of Painting. So it's talking about who you are. Again, we need that to be a click to call. Custom solutions, inspiring ideas, affordable prices, excellent. Services we offer, great. I love this and how it kind of goes to other pages. That's perfect. And then view more. This is great. How we work, book, schedule, relax. It's great. I got to check something out because you're doing really good with this. You have very good structure. I just need to see, that helped me see if it was done like, with somebody who knew what they were doing. Free estimates, excellent. Name, number, address, email, perfect. Okay, I mean, no address. Oh, no, wait, you do have address. I don't know if that works or not. Latest projects, great. Professional painting services, 50 Shades Painting, by appointment, by appointment. Okay, perfect. Only thing I'm going to say is that you would want a little bit more content, right? Talking about your services does give Google a chance to kind of rank you for certain things. If you have no content at all, you're not going to rank for anything, so you definitely want to look into that. And then this is just kind of a back end idea. So I don't know how long your website's been up for, but it's probably been up for over a year just based on that. But you have no data as far as ranking goes. So a UR rating is how much Google likes your website, and a DR rating is how much they trust you. Now, all that works with backlinks. Now, a backlink is where you have your website link, 50 Shades of Painting, somewhere else where somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it returns to you. Now, you have 10% referring. You don't have a lot of backlinks, so, not a lot's going to happen there, but you don't also have organic keywords. Now, a keyword is what somebody might put into Google to find you. For example, Painters Mountain View, California. That is a great keyword because it's service specific. So somebody is looking for a painter in Mountain View, California. So that's also how Google adds. It's service and location specific. So we got Google Guaranteed up here. Only one of them is guaranteed. And then we have our GMB, Google My Business Profile. Very important to get in here, by the way, because about 30-40% of all people will click on one of these three guys. So you definitely want to be one of those 30-40%. But then after that, we got our, oops, did not mean to click on that. We have our organic search. So, oops. So anyone can organically rank themselves as long as you know what you're doing. So number one is Yelp. Number two is Angie's List. You got CertaPro as number two, but they're more of a franchise. So I'm not really going to click on them. But then we got our first person. Now, personally, this is fine. I just think it's too much colors at one shot. Diamond Certificate, which is excellent for them. Unfortunately, it's messy. I don't like messy. No one likes messy. But otherwise, it's fine. They have the links for everything. This is a click to call. See how I hover over it? It gives me the chance to make the phone call. You got full service experience. So, they have a lot just thrown out there. Experienced, full service, cost effective, proven. Welcome to Stanford Painting. They got some pictures. Let's see how professionally done they were. If they are professionally done, they'll be saved as specific types of keywords. That's fine. This is great. I just think it's a lot to ask for. I think it should be mostly like name, number, email, zip code, or city that they're in, not address, because people are, weird about that. And then, finally, it's like, what are you asking for with like a radio button or something? And then after that, we got reviews, and you want these on your website if you have them. And then finally, the bottom of the page. So they're missing a lot of content too, so it'll be easy to kind of beat them out, especially for content. But let's take a look at their backend and see what they're doing. So this is their backend. They have a UR rating of 16 and a DR rating of 14. They do have about 10 times more backlinks than you, and they do have 90 referring domains. So they're doing pretty okay on that end. Now, you definitely want the UR and DR ratings in the 30s and 40s. Now, not all of them are created equal. It's just because I have so much more than you doesn't mean it's going to be harder to beat them out. Some of them can be spammy like BuzzFeed and Wikipedia. You don't want those. You want like good, strong ones that talk about painting and stuff like that. But they do have 533 organic keywords that they are ranking for. So what are they? Stanford Painting. Don't care much. But all of this looks like they're about blogs. See? Blogs. They're all on the blog, which means I don't care about them. Because if you're ranking for stuff on the blog, that means they're not actually location specific, which means anyone in the United States can be searching for any of these, and that's terrible. What you want is location specific, and I can't find any of them that are location specific. So it may appear he's getting a lot of people to his website. Unfortunately, they could be anywhere in the world, so that's not very good. The only one that's great is this one, Mountain View Painting. 20 people a month search for it. He's on page number 2. So he's not really going to get anywhere with that. So that's why beating somebody out like this isn't going to be that difficult. So how does this really help you guys? What do we need to do? All we got to do is step number 1 is content. We need more content on your website so that you rank higher for certain, or not rank higher, but you get more exposure, right? Because then you can add keywords into that content so that Google can see you. Then after that is we need backlinks. Now, painters in Mountain View, they're doing pretty okay. Stanford Painting, take theirs. You can all use the same ones, then add an additional 30 or 40 on top of that, and you should be fine. Anyway, that's really all I got. Keywords, content, and backlinks, and you should be good to go as far as ranking wise. Other than that, Hector, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. But you have an amazing day, man. Bye.